Carbon reduction strategies, low-carbon operations. In a world increasingly aware of the pressing need to combat climate change, businesses are stepping up to the challenge of reducing their carbon footprints. The journey towards low-carbon operations is not merely an environmental obligation, it is also a strategic advantage that can lead to greater efficiency and cost savings. At the heart of this transition lies the fundamental principle of making business processes more efficient, which in turn reduces emissions and conserves valuable resources. One of the first steps in this journey is conducting a comprehensive energy audit. This foundational action serves as a diagnostic tool, allowing businesses to identify where energy is being consumed and where waste occurs. By analyzing energy use across all operations, companies can pinpoint inefficiencies and prioritize areas for improvement. For instance, a manufacturing plant might discover that a significant portion of its energy consumption comes from outdated lighting systems. Transitioning to LED lighting, which uses up to 75% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs, can drastically reduce energy costs and emissions. Not only do LEDs have a longer lifespan, but they also provide better lighting quality, enhancing productivity and safety in the workplace. Optimizing machinery usage is another critical strategy in the quest for low-carbon operations. Many businesses operate machinery at suboptimal levels, leading to excessive energy consumption and wear. By investing in smart technologies and automation, companies can ensure that their machines operate only when needed and at the most efficient capacity. For example, a textile manufacturer might implement a scheduling system that aligns machine operation with production demand, reducing idle time and energy waste. This not only cuts down on emissions but also extends the lifespan of the equipment, further decreasing the overall environmental impact. Redesigning logistics routes is yet another avenue for carbon reduction. Transportation is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, and by reevaluating delivery routes and methods, businesses can achieve substantial reductions. Utilizing route optimization software, a distribution company can analyze traffic patterns, delivery schedules, and vehicle capacities to minimize fuel consumption. This not only helps in reducing emissions but also improves delivery times and customer satisfaction. Additionally, considering alternative transportation modes, such as electric vehicles or even bicycles for local deliveries, can further enhance sustainability efforts while promoting a positive brand image. The overarching goal of these strategies is to accomplish more with fewer resources. This principle not only contributes to a lower carbon footprint, but also fosters a culture of innovation within the organization. When employees are encouraged to think creatively about resource use, they often come up with solutions that can lead to unexpected efficiencies. For instance, a company might implement a recycling program that encourages employees to minimize waste, leading to a reduction in raw material costs and a smaller environmental impact. This holistic approach to sustainability not only benefits the planet, but also enhances the company's bottom line. Moreover, the importance of stakeholder engagement cannot be overlooked. As businesses embrace low-carbon operations, communicating these efforts to customers, employees, and investors becomes essential. Transparency about sustainability initiatives builds trust and loyalty, and it can also attract new customers who prioritize environmentally responsible practices. By showcasing their commitment to reducing emissions and improving efficiency, companies can differentiate themselves in a competitive market. In conclusion, the path to low-carbon operations is paved with opportunities for efficiency and innovation. By conducting energy audits, optimizing machinery, redesigning logistics, and fostering a culture of sustainability, businesses can significantly reduce their carbon footprints while achieving their operational goals. As the world moves towards a more sustainable future, Those businesses that embrace these strategies will not only help protect the environment, but will also position themselves for long-term success in an increasingly eco-conscious marketplace. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards, both for the planet and for business, are undeniably worth the effort. Thank you for watching this episode of the Ecopoly Carbon Accounting Masterclass. Every number we track, every footprint we reduce, and every decision we make brings us one step closer to a low-carbon future. Whether you're an individual, a business, or a community leader, your action matters. Stay curious, stay committed, and keep building the world we all deserve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next step in your sustainability journey. This is Ecopoly, decoding the climate economy, one story at a time.